Okay, hi guys, and upon request, let's talk about little crazy things with the lights. And I got some request from the Scott. He wants me to light it up both sides, locomotive, like the steps, the walkway from the left side and the right side. Like you see, I did it. Right now this Kato EMD SD90 loco had installed 30 LEDs lights on it, controlled by one decoder, WOW 101 decoder. It's really nice decoder with great sound. And let's see the light. So the function F0 is the main headlight, front marker lights and ditch light. Function F2 is the light in the cab, where we got engineer and bass speaker installed. Function F1 is the marker lights in the front and the firebox. And function F3 control the side light. Function F3 control the rear ditch light, or ditch light, that's what I can say. And function F4 control the side light, steps on the left side locomotive and right side locomotive. It's on and off, like you see. And what else we got? We got right here on the wings 2 marker lights, yellow. In the front 2 red marker lights. When we go reverse, the situation is changed. We got right here in the front white marker lights, and in rear we got 4 marker lights right here. And everything can be controlled separate. So like you see right now, it's headlight in the rear and 2 marker lights white, 2 ditch lights. We can turn it off, the ditch light. We can run like this. We can switch to the red. We can run like this. And the steps lights, they are off right now. We can turn it on right now, like you see. And this is it. This is all lights. Like turning off the light from one side, it's gonna look better. This is the cap light. Actually right now we got all lights on. This is the other side and cap light. Okay, so let's start.